Imagine pouring tea from a teapot that never touches the table. A crystal-clear, gently glowing pot floating calmly in midair, rotating slowly while steam curls upward like soft white ribbons above a wooden surface. This transparent, levitating teapot uses invisible magnetic fields and lightweight materials, so it hovers in one place, tilting itself with perfect balance, as if obeying your silent command with every graceful movement. Inside the teapot, glowing microfilters swirl like tiny jellyfish, cleaning the water as it gently spins, transforming simple leaves into a bright, perfectly clear infusion that dances with shifting golden reflections. Instead of a handle, delicate floating rings orbit the transparent teapot, sliding into place around your hand like soft bracelets, guiding your grip so you can pour without ever touching a hot surface. When you want to pour, the levitating teapot senses the angle of your wrist, leans forward in midair, and sends a smooth ribbon of glowing tea down into the cup, never spilling a single drop on the table below. Tiny floating icons made of light drift around the teapot's surface, a leaf for flavor, a droplet for strength, a small clock for time, each icon slowly orbiting as you adjust them with a simple wave of your hand. In a calm kitchen, shelves fade into soft shapes while the levitating teapot becomes the star, moving gracefully from cup to cup, filling each one with the same warm color, like a friendly helper that never gets tired. Now imagine a quiet morning where you lift your hand and the transparent levitating teapot rises to meet you, swirling with light and steam, turning every cup of tea into a tiny floating moment of everyday magic.